Hey guys, thanks for watching. I wanted to show you this video because it's something that took me hours to figure out and saved a ton of headache once I did. Everyone knows making GUIs is not Python strong point, but sometimes you just wish you could have a button to run your script. But you don't want it to look like Windows 95. I wrote some software, and as is, tkinter or most other GUI toolkits look a lot like this. Looks a lot like Windows 95. Not exactly anything that says, hey, I know how to program. But fortunately, after hours of searching, I finally found this code right here at the bottom of the screen, and I'll put it in the comments, the notes as well. Finally, with this and just a couple other modifications, but this is the main one, it looked like this. Obviously much better. It really cleans it up just about on any GUI, just adding that one line. And so it's something I wanted to share. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe or comment. I'll try and help out if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.